leave the civil suit. Now you go with him.
All right.
Show which are the properties that you have sold. Site number 31, 32 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Please, my lord.
If it is not identifiable, you have played fraud with them.
That, my lord, the challenge is to the successive FIR, my lord, in relation to the same cause of action, please, my lord. Earlier an FIR was registered and that, my lord, a B report was also came to be filed after investigation, please, my lord. Against which, please, my lord, a protest petition was also filed and it was pending for consideration. In the meantime, the de facto complainant has approached now the police station, filed a fresh FIR on the same cause of action. And therefore, the parallel proceedings in respect of the same cause of action is an abuse of the due process of law, please, my lord. The Supreme Court has held in umpteen number of judgments, please, my lord.
Namkina.
Umpteen number of judgments, please, my lord.
All right, good. He said umpteen, you must at least know one.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll quash it.
My lords, I'll just file my statement of objections.
How
ma'am.
long,
What's
sir?
my-
For
After
2 years
repeat,
you have not filed. Last time you were not present.
It was not present.
Yes, sir.
I'll just file my statement of objections. Cause of actions are different for the.
Different. First FIR ಯಾವ page? ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ sir. FIR ಎಲ್ಲಿ sir? This is the first FIR, huh?
Yes, please, my lord.
176/2020.
Yes, yes, please.
Now come to the second FIR.
Now, please come to. The issue is in relation to a site bearing number 31 and 32 measuring to an extent of 30 into 50 square feet, please, my lord.
Offense is forgery.
Yes, yes, please, my lord.
All right. First 506 420 ಇತ್ತು.
ಅದು ಇದೆ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ now it is stayed. In the first matter, in the first FIR, B report has been submitted and pursuant to which a protest petition has also been filed by the de facto
What
complainant.
happened there?
That is pending, still pending for consideration. May I take my lord's attention to the relevant portion in the order sheet, please, my lord. Kindly turn to page number 50.
Come to page 27, unnumbered paragraph, last 7 lines. ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಹಣ ಪಡೆದು ಯಾವುದೋ ನಿವೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಶುದ್ಧ
Same allegation, please, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಅವರ ಹತ್ತಿರ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿವೇಶನ 31, 32 ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸಂಗತಿ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಹಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ
Please, my lord.
ಅದೇ ಸಂಗತಿ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆಯಾ?
May I take my lord's,
ಸಂಗತಿನ ಇದು.
may I take my lord's attention to page number 35.
35. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ನೀವು ಸೆಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದೌದು. I don't deny that fact also. No civil suit is filed in respect of this particular issue is concerned, please, my lord.
You are the vendor.
Yes, yes, please, my lord.
All right. Now what is the problem of the
The
complaint?
problem is that the site was not identified as per the purchaser, please, my lord. The confusion is in respect of identification of the property, please, my lord. That, my lord, it's
You show him whatever you have given.
certainly, please, my lord. And if he file a civil suit also, please, my lord.
You leave the civil suit. Now you go with him.
All right.
Show which are the properties that you have sold. Site number 31, 32 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Please come to page 39, please, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್.
Now I'll point out. But this is particularly.
ಪೇಪರ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ತಮ್ಗೆ.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
Please, my lord. In page number 81.
81 na?
No, that's an agreement to sell. Sorry, my
The
lord.
absolute sale it is at page 90.
Yes, yes, please, my lord. Sorry.
Who is the complainant? ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ absolute sale deed ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33 ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Page 103, my lord would get the site schedule.
ಸೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ.
31 and 32, my lord.
ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಯಾರ್ದು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, Amma is the owner, I am the power of attorney holder for Veli.
ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ?
No, money.
ಸೇರಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಈಗ 31, 32 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
That is not in respect of this particular site, confirmation deed.
Sir, ಈಗ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಈಗ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Of course.
Correct. You go with him, identify those 2 sites that you have sold and get him back.
Certainly, please, my lord.
If it is not identifiable, you have played fraud with them.
No. The important point is that. please, my
Point,
lord.
ನೀವು legal point ಬಿಡಿ, we will come to that later.
All right, my lord.
ಈಗ confirmation deed ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, confirmation is in respect of other property.
ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 2023 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಸೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 31, 32 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Please examine annexure M also. please, my
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್,
lord.
ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್?
Sorry, my lord. Please see 105 annexure M, please, my lord. Say MOU, complainant, please, my lord.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಸೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಲಿ 32, 33 ಎರಡು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 31, 32. Not
ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್
32
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
and
ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
33.
ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
No, this was pointed out to him and pursuant to this MOU also, please, my lord. Please
ನಾವು
see deed of
ಅಷ್ಟೇ-
confirmation.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರೇ, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ವೆಂಡರ್, ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ GPA ಓನರ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ಹಿಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟುಡೇ.
That was shown even prior to the sale deed also, please, my lord.
Once more you do it.
Now, if my lord peruse the complaint allegation.
Once more do it, sir.
Certainly, please, my lord. But if
But the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, the issue that is projected as a crime is the petitioner selling two properties bearing site numbers 31 and 32 in survey number ಏನದು? In BBMP
56/2,
56/2.
26/2.
26/2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Complaint allegation.
The learned counsel for the petitioner, respondent complainant submits that those sites are not even available. Therefore, the sale is a farce or a fraud. The learned counsel submits that he would go with the complainant and identify those two sites that he has sold and report it back to the court on the next date. The petitioner, the jurisdictional police, the officer in charge of the police station of the jurisdictional police shall accompany the two for identification of the sites. List this matter, the copy of this order, ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ. List this matter on 20 February.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes. Interim order subsisting will continue. Objections if any by then, interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Obliged.